Hello, how to simplify this nice Math Olympiad problem? 2 to the power of 18 minus 1 is unknown. Then 2 to the power of 18 can be written as 2 to the power of 9 square minus 1. Now, this is same thing as 2 to the power of 9 all square minus 1 square. Now, take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Now, here is equal to 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 bracket 2 to the power of 9 minus 1 equal to 2 to the power of 9 is 512 plus 1 bracket 512 minus 1. Then this is equal to 512 plus 1, that is 513 bracket 511. Then this is same thing as 513 can be written as 500 plus 13 bracket 511 can be written as 500 plus 11. Now let's multiply out. This is same thing as 500 times 500 plus 500 times 11 plus 500 times 13 plus 13 times 11. Now here is 500 times 500. We have 500 times 500. This is 250,000 plus here 500 is common. We have 500 bracket 11 plus 13 plus 13 times 11. That is 143 equal to 250,000 plus 500 bracket 24 plus 143, then equal to 250,000 plus 500 times 24, that is 12,000 plus 143. Now let's add everything together. We have 250,000, then here is 120,000, and here is 143. If you add together, here is 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 2, and this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.